Hello there, Escambia County teachers. Have you been looking for a way that you can quickly and easily compile all of your students' current gradebook averages in one convenient location? Well, no need to keep looking because we have a report for that. So join me and the rest of the student data team as we show you how you can run your current gradebook grades report in Focus. From your portal page, you're going to come down over here to the side. You're going to choose Reports, and then we're going to go down to our district reports. And then when we're here, we're going to go to Grades. We're going to click on our gradebook, and then we're going to run this report called Current Gradebook Averages, My Students. And then I'm going to take a look at the quarter that I want. For this demonstration, I am choosing Q1. I'm going to click that green Run button. Once my students appear, I have all of my filters here based on each column, so clicking will filter by student or student ID. Another teacher tip would be to filter by % grade. So if you click this filter drop down, and let's say maybe for this example, I want all of my students who have a failing grade in my class, I'm going to choose less or equal to a 59, and that's going to filter my students for these three that are failing. Now, another teacher tip from this report, I can message these students specifically by clicking this message button. When I do that, those students are going to be automatically populated into my communication module message. And I have some options here. I could message just those students, message their primary contacts, or I could send a message to the students and their primary contacts. I could even use a template I have for failing grades. And now you've run your report and quickly communicated with your students. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our recommended video that's here on the side and fill out our content request form so we keep making those videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.